First impression of you would be she hates me. And number 2, she's judgmental. मतलब ये लड़की की यही आइडेंटिटी है कि किसी की एक्स गर्लफ्रेंड है, which is why she's popular. Like I don't get it. So I didn't. What's your take on being a part of a popular group in high school? She broke down. She broke down in a way where she literally stopped breathing. She was crying, so she couldn't breathe. I just felt so powerless. I was like, oh shit, I want to do something, but I also knew somewhere that she had to let all of it go by crying. I had a fight with that person because of her, so I fought with her, and then like that was like the worst thing. No, yeah, okay. One rumor or misconception about you that people should stop having. Does your mother hate Rabia after the school bunking? Yes. She called me. मैंने उस पे चिल्ला दिया भाई. Do not date in a friend group. Never. Bitch, you literally bullied me and now you like DM me saying that I'm pretty and everything. Like, have you lost your V-card? भाई मेरे को छोड़ दिया तो क्या करूँगी फिर? How to stop feeling insecure? Hi guys, welcome back to Devika's. I love how we both say welcome back now because पहले हम welcome back बोलते थे and Rabia would be like, what if they're watching for the first time? But now I think we both know that if you're watching us, you might have watched us before.
नहीं भी देखा होगा तो देख लो ना यार क्या जाएगा तुम लोग का.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's technically our YouTube channel at this point. तू हर बार आ ही जाती है. मतलब तू हर बार कैसे ना कैसे करके आ ही जाती है. हाँ, the amount of please get Rabia I've got is freaking crazy. Today I tried filming a makeup tutorial, but guess what, guys?
Dumbass forgot to record.
I filmed a whole ass makeup tutorial, guys. I don't think it's looking good for me. It's not looking good for me. I was like, today I'll be so productive. I filmed 2 videos. I'll give a mock test. Best productive day ever.
Starts with a non-recorded video. So many of y'all were like asking me that तू अपना YouTube channel क्यों नहीं खोल लेती? I will. Like I'm planning on opening it after college or something. नहीं, during college because अभी I don't have the time since I'm like busy with studies and everything. So
she's very busy, y'all.
Yeah.
Ma'am is doing CA plus 12th boards. It's gonna be very difficult for her to open a YouTube channel. And the thing is that even she literally like keeps her studies aside to come here and meet me and film a YouTube video, which I'm like very grateful for. Very grateful, yeah. I'm very grateful for, and she has not complained once while being
because I like
on my
her.
channel. And ये on demand आ जाती है guys. इसको ये comments पढ़ती है and Lara Raj from Cat's Eye. You
I
are
don't
that.
look like her.
Guys, me and my friends have been trying to convince her that she does, and she's like, मैं कहाँ दिखती हूँ यार उसकी तरह? Impossible.
You literally eyebrows.
look
Look at her, bhai. I have the most bushy eyebrows existing in this
Girl,
entire universe.
My eyebrows look like what? A jidda. Okay, you guys had some questions for us, and we are finally answering them. The first question being, how did we meet?
Okay, so we both had taken science and we were in like an institute together, but we were in different batches. Like uska kuch aur batch tha, mera kuch aur batch tha. So I came to one day and she was sitting with her friends, okay, and she had,
Was it break time and I was sitting?
yeah, she had red acrylic nails on, as I still remember, and full blush लगा के आई थी, एकदम सुंदर दिख रही थी. I was like, why is such a pretty person doing science? You should be.
Did you think I was dumb?
No, definitely not.
Or did you think I was one of those जो मतलब उठा के science में आ गए
हाँ.
because कुछ है?
I definitely did because you were like you looking at you and you were not the science kind of a person.
I think when I first saw you, I didn't see like itna of you. Like I just saw you like once like walking, and I just didn't like you.
I just thought Devika was like a spoiled brat because she was like एकदम सज धज के आई थी आकाश में एकदम makeup.
And if like you want my actual first impression of you, I think my first impression of you would be she hates me, and number 2, she's judgmental. You are.
I am.
You are.
I am. I have to change that about myself.
Yeah, you
But,
are.
like,
But like you're judgmental even in a good way. But then no one's judgmental. Yeah. And then basically हमारे जो करंट स्कूल है उसमें बहुत कम लोगों ने मैच लिया, like 5 people in particular.
हाँ अभी तो 3 हो गए क्योंकि हम दोनों ने भी मैच छोड़ दिया.
मैच छोड़ दिया.
तो basically when me and Devika first Devika left science. उसको I saw her sitting in the cabin and you know like ऐसा nodding her head at him. ठीक है, and then she left Akash and then I left Akash. Not because she left but like I just left because
नहीं
हो रहा था मुझसे. तो फिर हम दोनों, इसने ह्यूमैनिटीज लिया, मैंने कॉमर्स लिया, बट द ओनली थिंग दैट वाज कॉमन बिटवीन आवर स्ट्रीम्स वाज मैथ्स. दैट वाज इन आवर स्कूल.
And the thing is that before I even like saw like who Rabia is or like I saw, like, not checking her out, so like I saw her. She was known as someone's ex-girlfriend. That was her entire identity in our school.
Exactly.
Like there was no individual identity of some girl being called Rabia who left science, came to commerce. She's smart, whatever, and she got 94% in 10, but she was known for that. She was just known for being someone's ex-girlfriend. I was like,
Because I was
why?
new to Thane na, and
Yeah.
कोई जानता नहीं
हाँ,
था.
and I was like, मतलब ये बंदे की यही आइडेंटिटी है कि ये किसी की एक्स गर्लफ्रेंड है, which is why she's popular. Like I don't get it. So I didn't get that either. But then I knew कि you were gonna come in maths. So I was like,
And you know, so basically we had our one more friend, Shreya, that was in commerce with me. So we both were like sitting in maths lecture and I saw Devika walk in maths, man. I was like, the fuck is this bitch doing here? Like, what the fuck? Okay. And then she walks in and she sits right here, okay, like right there. And she's cross talking to Shreya. So she's not talking to me, she's talking to her. And I'm like, looking at her like, she's like ignoring my fucking existence. And I'm like, bitch.
yeah, because I think I was very judgmental there. Like
Yeah.
you were ki bhai ye bandi. And start में the guy जिसकी ये ex girlfriend थी, I did not fuck with that guy at all. I did not like that guy at all. He knows that too. And like the second day of my school, I had like a huge fight with him in the
Yeah.
football ground
Football
and everything.
से
हाँ.
मारा.
In the football ground and everything. So I had a huge ass fight with him. So I was like, अगर if I don't fuck with him, I don't fuck with her either. But I was like, अब you only imagine कि को 5 लोगों की क्लास में एक बार तो बात करना ही पड़ेगा. And I think I started having a talk with you. The first thing I asked you, 10th में कितना % मिला तुझे?
Yeah, and I was like, I proudly said 94. Bet you
Yeah.
didn't get more than me. Then this bitch pulls her card. Yeah. So I was like, okay, she's intelligent. I can't hate her now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you cannot hate me now.
Yeah.
And then, obviously, I mean, there is only one reason that I know this girl is because of her ex-boyfriend. So obviously, I had to ask the it question.
Yeah, she was like, what's up with you and him? And I'm
Yeah.
like, that's the first thing you ask me. That's
That's all that I knew about you,
I was
Radha.
like-
Like, how was
I was like, भाई सांस लेने दो मुझे भाई. I'm
because I think in जैसे ही commerce में, I think everyone just had one question in mind: who is Rabia apart from being this person's ex-girlfriend? So when I spoke to her, I just realized that she's actually like a really innocent girl and she's a really nice girl. And so basically I knew a bunch of information that she did not.
yeah.
The whole school
The whole
knew a
school
bunch of
knew.
information that she did not. And कायदे से अगर आप किसी की एक्स गर्लफ्रेंड हो तो तुम्हें सब इन्फॉर्मेशन पता होनी चाहिए, बट इसको छोड़ के सबको पता थी. तो धीरे धीरे शी वाज गेटिंग टू नो एवरीवन, गेटिंग टू नो एवरीवन. आई थिंक मोस्ट फ्रेंडशिप से उसी से स्टार्ट हुए.
Yeah. And most friendships also broke because
Because that's so crazy. True,
Yeah.
guys. True. So that's how we met, and I think now you're stronger than ever, even though we had a falling out.
yeah, we were both bitches to each other starting में.
I think 11th grade के बाद the falling out that we had,
That was
it just
actually necessary.
yeah.
We needed
Because
it.
11th grade के बाद when we had a falling out, I was just like, was she never my friend? Was
Yeah, same.
like, did I not mean anything to her कि भाई ये सब हो गया, ये सब हो गया? But now it's like I don't even remember 11th grade. It's like for me 12th grade was like the start of our friendship.
Yeah.
Personally
same,
for me.
Same.
12th grade was like the
It's like we both learned how important it
Yeah.
was to come out of the bitch phase.
yeah.
With
Yeah,
each
it's
other.
like even though we knew each other in 11th grade, even though we were a part of a big friend group, I think
I've forgotten everything about that friend group, honestly.
Same.
I just don't remember.
same. And I think हम उसमें इतना mix हो गए थे कि we did not have a chance to know each other individually.
No, yeah.
Not at all. So to me, Rabia Bazaz is my best friend since 12th grade, and that's how I know her. Okay, what is the best memory and worst memory that we have with
Okay, I
each
have
other?
to think about this. Wait.
Okay, let me start.
Best.
So the best memory is like very recent. I'm gonna tell you the most recent one. So basically, I could not make it to the school trip because of certain reasons, and I was like very sad. Okay, I was trying to keep my calm in front of Rabia because I knew कि if she उसका exam चल रहा था, like she was prepping for her exam, and I knew that if I would show her कि भाई मैं sad हूँ, तो वो सब छोड़ छाड़ के वो मेरे को देखती, भाई तू कैसी है, it's okay, कुछ ना कुछ कर लेंगे. But then as I told her that this trip, I don't think this trip is like gonna work out for me because I have like my tests and everything. She started bawling her eyes out. She was crying for I think half an hour straight, and I video called her after that, and I was just like, something in my heart was just like somebody is crying because I can't make it to the school trip, and वो full रो रही थी आधा घंटा. She was like, I'm gonna cry, auntie,
Because I
why are you
planned so
coming?
many things with her, man. She literally
Yeah.
did me end moment, and I'm like,
And she was crying, and I was like, and I was just in my heart, it just felt so warm, and I just felt so good. I genuinely like felt like I have someone. Yeah, I felt valuable.
oh,
I felt like I have worth. I have some worth.
words.
The worst memory with Rabia, obviously, are falling out. Obviously, that is I think scarred. Like that is like I hate that memory. But I think that memory is not related to just Rabia. It's related to everyone around me. So I'm gonna tell you the recent one. So I'm not gonna give like itna information, but Rabia had a very bad phase going on in her life. And वो basically ऑटो में बैठी थी, and कुछ तो हुआ था. The ऑटो वाला just shouted at her. Alright, and I was on call with her. I was just asking भाई कैसी है, and I was going to my class, and वो school से आ रही थी, तो the ऑटो वाला shouted at her, and Rabia also obviously shouted back because she fought for herself obviously. But जैसे ही वो ऑटो वाला गया, वो अपने सोसाइटी के like अंदर घुसी, she broke down. Like she broke down to the level
Actually,
where she
वो
couldn't
ऑटो वाला
breathe.
मुझे गाली दे रहा था, ठीक है,
हाँ.
for literally no
No
reason.
reason. And then after the
And
ऑटो
I
वाला
was like
went,
already in a phase where
bad phase.
बहुत कुछ
Exactly.
हो रहा था,
बहुत कुछ हो रहा था.
ऑटो वाला added up,
Yeah.
ठीक है.
So, and I think the auto wala just triggered the entire thing, and I
Yeah.
understood that. And Rabia like fought with the auto wala, जब तक वो auto wala नहीं गया, she was
अरे
very
उसको शायद गाली दे दी
stern.
भाई
हाँ, she was
उसको.
very stern. She had her stand, but जैसे ही वो अपने सोसाइटी के अंदर घुसी, she broke down. She broke down in a way where she literally stopped breathing because she was crying so much. She couldn't breathe. I could hear it. And I think at that moment, that is my worst moment with you, because मैं ऑटो से मेरे क्लास में जा रही थी, and I just felt so powerless. It's like I couldn't do anything. I just felt I started crying because I just felt
Yeah,
like,
she started crying.
yeah.
I stopped crying because she was crying.
हाँ,
Don't cry.
I felt like I just felt so powerless. I was like, oh shit, I want to do something, but I also knew somewhere that she had to let all of it go by crying. But
Yeah.
I also knew that. But then I came after class and I gave her a hug.
She gave me lilies.
Yeah, that's her favorite
My
flower. And then I
first-
gave her a
No,
hug.
it's not even my favorite flower. Like, it is my favorite flower, but no one has ever given me a lily in my life. It was my first ever lily, bhai. I was so happy.
Yeah. And I was like, and मैं अपना क्लास ऐसा मैंने मेरी मैम को बोला कि मैम I really need to go like थोड़ा जल्दी because I was getting late for a movie. But I was like, I don't give a shit if I'm late for a movie. I have to meet Rabia.
I think my
Before
favorite
that.
memory with you was like you giving me lilies.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She was so happy. She did not expect that at all.
Yeah,
She was
walked
so
in.
happy.
She was like, I'm coming to meet you. I was like, okay, I'm waiting. I was not expecting her to bring fucking ladies for me, bhai. It's such a big thing. Like, she thought about it. It was so considerate, so thoughtful. Like, the whole thing was so thoughtful, and I was like, so happy, yaar. So happy.
Can I think, Karen? She's making me blush. You're making me blush.
Yeah.
Worst memory?
First memory. Let me think.
I don't think, touchwood, I don't think me and Rabia have, हाँ, would.
Would she?
Yeah. इधर करते हैं.
ये वुड होता है.
नहीं, पर इधर करते हैं. अगर
नहीं
वुड
है.
नहीं दिखता ना, तो इधर करते हैं.
यार इधर भेजा नहीं है ना, ये वुड का बना हुआ है. क्लिंक 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 आवाज आती है इसमें से.
I don't think you and me have had like इतने fights. कि
My
भाई,
worst
कुछ
memory with
worst.
Devika is one where I told her something. She was being a bitch to me. She literally went and told it to someone else. I fought her for it. I was like, I don't respect you, like going around telling what I tell you like that. you know, we had like a fucking fight over it. And it was like the guy only. Like,
It was a very, yeah, I think
like the way I said it was like very different, and the way that she said it. Okay, like I said something else, but she portrayed it into something else, and then I had a fight with that person because of her. So I fought with her, and then like that was like the worst thing. Yeah, yeah.
yeah, we was bitch to each other.
You secretly hated each other, right?
How are we in the same friend group? How did you survive in the same mode? Okay, what's something weird that a person did to you, but you can't pinpoint that out because it would be wrong from your side?
I recently got to know like something about like my ex friend, but like that's something that she did, and I can't something really bad, and I can't like question her on it because I got to know through very questionable resources.
Yeah. If you're watching this,
I'm pretty sure she is.
okay, I was just talking to Ravi about this. So basically, I went to Singapore. And let's get back M, bro. I think M is just so done. If you're watching this, I am actually very sorry for like bringing you everywhere. And I'm so sorry.
सांस लेता हूँ तो
हाँ,
मेरे
सांस
से-
लेता हूँ तो मेरे ऊपर वीडियो आ जाती. So I was in Singapore and I got like a bunch of chocolates, like Toblerone and stuff for
costly fucking stuff.
for like M and like his brother, and bye for like M and his brother, and I gave it to him and I was like, I hope you and your brother have this. And M, I remember he told me that I'm not gonna give this to anyone, I'm just gonna have it. So like a few weeks or days, I don't know, later I asked him, did you have the chocolates, how did you like it? And he told me that he gave those chocolates to like people who like sit on highways or like people who are homeless. And you know, that's a good deed, right? So it was such a weird thing that I couldn't tell anything to him. I couldn't be like, bhai tune kyun diya, maine tere diya, because he did a good thing. But those chocolates were,
देना ही था तो डेयरी मिल्क खरीद के दे देता कुछ
अरे
भी
मैं
देता
डेयरी
भाई।
मिल्क खरीद के दे देती भाई.
पर खा
But
लेता
those
है।
chocolates were for you. Like it was from my heart to yours. To your what the fuck? ये cheesy ass चीजें अभी नहीं है भाई. It was
Like it was
from
for you basically.
Yeah.
It was a gift for him, but like he gave it to
yeah.
like people
who
homeless
needed
people.
it, obviously, and it's a good deed. You
It's a
should
good
help
deed,
them.
like-
But yeah, that's what I'm
That's
telling you.
fucked
It's
up,
so
though.
weird.
That's fucked
Yeah,
up.
it's so weird that I cannot like. मुझे अभी तक समझ ही नहीं आ रहा.
Okay. One rumor or misconception about you that people should stop having.
Hmm.
I don't know, there are a lot of rumors.
Exactly. The sink is crazy. Yeah.
Yeah, someone also commented on the video saying that Rabha stop acting like Devika. It's irritating.
Someone commented on my YouTube video that your voice is so irritating.
Sorry, yaar, mat dekh bhai video.
What is the one rumor?
And God forbid a girl likes to hang out with a person who's just like her.
Exactly. Rumors? ऐसे तो भाई.
I don't want to talk about it. रहने देते हैं.
Okay.
A really bad phase in your life.
I think हम दोनों के breakups. Like I think उसके
I
बाद
don't
we
think the
haven't
breakup was the bad phase.
It was the memories. of the
No,
breakup.
it was like after the breakup, what happened was the
Yeah,
bad phase.
for sure. I mean, the breakup तो हो गया पर
No,
breakup के बाद.
for me, the worst phase in my life was when my parents stopped trusting me.
मेरा ऐसे phase नहीं था, एक दो दिन में थे.
My parents were like
कोई phase नहीं
very
था.
cautious about it. Now everything's fine.
Like I said, I think my worst phase was my breakup or after my breakup, because after that I just dissociated from the world. It was like I don't know who I was, I don't know what I would do, I don't know. And my parents were also stressed. Like I said, अब ये दुख भरी कहानी हो गई भाई, अब नहीं feel करना.
How to
does
not
your
feel FOMO about not having a boyfriend?
It's very normal that you do feel.
No, it's
FOMO.
starting
It
to
is
feel
normal.
FOMO about. You know, honestly, I don't think not having a boyfriend is like a big deal. And plus, it's like,
But
it's like
it's
you can
like-
live without it, bhai.
Why you can live
It's
without
not
it?
a-
But would you want to live without it forever?
not forever, obviously. You will initially find someone, but
It's
like,
the longing of finding someone, you know, who
If you
loves
keep on
you and
like-
is your person.
हाँ, but like if you keep on searching for a person कि हाँ ये dateable है क्या, oh इसको पकड़ सकती हूँ क्या, ये वो है क्या, that's not how it
So the
works.
quote that you will find them when you least expect it, kind of thing.
No, not really, but like it's just the fact that you will meet people in your life, and one day you will find a person that you want to be with for the rest of your life.
Yeah.
But you don't go searching for it.
पर
That's
तू
stupid.
दूसरे कपल्स को देखती है तो तेरे को ऐसा ये नहीं लगता कि भाई मेरा भी होना चाहिए.
हाँ, I mean like I feel like ऐसा
It would be nice if I had.
It would be nice
So
if
it's
I
very
had
common.
one.
It's very normal.
yeah.
But like, I
Like-
think you shouldn't base your entire
Entire
life
personality
or
or life about
personality
it. Yeah,
on
definitely
कि भाई
not.
मुझे boyfriend चाहिए. Because
हाँ.
I've seen people do that and it's just it's harmful to yourself only. honestly.
हाँ.
दूसरों का तो कुछ नहीं
नहीं
जाता.
जा रहा
दूसरों
भाई.
को तो
Your
चाहिए कि
entire
तुम्हारा downfall हो.
personality- Your entire personality shows कि तुम boy पगलू हो. अगर तुम ऐसा, you know, I'm not calling you boy पगलू, sorry, but like मुझे hate मत करना please. comment section में hate मत करना.
Does your mother hate Rabia after the school bunk thing? Yes, she hates Rabia. No one likes Rabia. Okay, no, that's not true. The thing is that I think me and Rabia acted very mature in this. The thing is that me and Rabia both knew कि ये जो मेरी mom and Rabia का scene है या fight है, only Rabia and my mom could solve. There is nothing that I could do. मैं अगर मम्मी की साइड लेती, जो मैं अगर राबिया की साइड लेती तो मेरी मॉम ऑफेंड हो जाती, दूसरे साइड से ये ऑफेंड हो जाती. तो when we had a falling out because of this.
Yeah.
We had a falling out because of
Because
this,
of-
and Rabia,
हाँ.
and I am so grateful that Rabia actually took time to understand कि भाई I think ये situation में ना दोनों सही है ना दोनों गलत है. And to be very honest, I'm going to be very honest, I might get a lot of hate or something, but I think my mom was more in the wrong than Rabia was. For sure. अब तू agree नहीं करेगी, but मेरे हिसाब से, like, अगर तू एक third person
See,
POV से देखे, तो
I'm
my mom was
I'm
in the
not
wrong.
blaming you here, but like I would say that being a mother, your mother was just
Influenced
angry.
by me
Yeah.
as well. हाँ.
Yeah, she's just angry and she just did whatever she thought was right in
The
that moment.
right. हाँ. तो exactly. तो I am just very grateful that Rabia actually like valued me itna that she actually like came to my house and spoke to my mother about this, because it's a very big thing. Because I have friends
Took a lot of
जिनका-
courage.
Yeah, I have friends जिनका मेरे साथ झगड़ा हुआ है, जो after that they've never come to my house because they're scared of my mother and everything, and my mother is a person you should fear. ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं करना चाहिए. But now
No, yeah,
my
it's
mom,
kinda
but
sweet.
my mom loves Rabia now. The amount of comparison I get कि Rabia ऐसी है, Rabia ऐसी है,
yes.
Rabia ऐसी है, Rabia ऐसी है, भाई चल निकल यार तू यार. Sorry भाई, निकल तू यहाँ से. हाँ, तो अभी I think everything sorted out, but again Rabia called me. She tried to make me understand कि भाई इसकी वजह से हमारा friendship खराब नहीं हो चुका. Because मेरे दिमाग में, and I was also influenced by two of my other friends who were like, भाई we are never going to talk to you if you talk to Rabia. Rabia is not good. Rabia is not this. Rabia is not
Turns
that.
out those two friends left. Guess who stayed? Guess who stayed?
Yeah. So for me, mine and Rabia's friendship ended तभी. But then she made sure that it did not, and I think that is
I
one
called
of my
her
favorite.
like 4 to 3
And
days before my birthday.
whenever, और राबिया का बर्थडे था 4 से 3 दिन पहले, and then she called me. मैंने उस पे चिल्ला दिया भाई.
How she started screaming.
I started screaming. I started fucking screaming, losing
That's
my
also
shit.
a worst memory.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I started screaming. Rabia was just listening, and मैं ऐसा सोच रही थी, बोली कि react क्यों नहीं कर रही हूँ, react नहीं कर रही. It's not like I liked screaming at her, but the amount of maturity that Rabia showed in that situation, even though she's immature as fuck.
Hello? What?
But
No.
the amount, no, she's not. But the amount of maturity that she showed in that situation, the amount, courage, or the amount of value for me that she had, that she actually felt that I was valuable enough to talk to my mom, is like a great deal for me. Because like I said, my mom should be a person that you fear, and yet she like went and sorted it out and talked it out and everything, and that means a lot to me, and I love you.
I love it. I love myself.
Pagal. What's your take on being a part of a popular group in high school? You know,
Make
मेरे-
sure that everyone loves each other. In the
Yeah, मेरे high school में there was this popular group, and there was a popular group. Now a popular group usually comprises of like guys and girls together and everything. And in that group, And in that group, everyone dated everyone. So I was just
Do
like,
not date in a friend group. Never. Never. That's the worst thing you can ever do.
and I was just like,
Make sure.
this is not a group that I want to be a part
Make
of.
sure that everyone is a friend in a group.
Yeah.
Because
And you know, my high school, I had a high school bully, right? So she used to basically call me Snow White, Snow White, Snow White everywhere that I went.
Snow White, yeah.
She used to call me Snow White, Snow White, Snow White everywhere I went, and she like hated me. She like bitched about me and everything. And she was one of the girlfriends of my ex. Yeah, she was one of the girlfriends of my ex, and I recently got like her DM, and she was like, "Oh my god, you're so pretty, you're so this, you're so that." I'm like, this bitch, you literally bullied me, and now you like DM me saying that I'm pretty and everything. Like, thank you. You like that bitch.
I think हमें 2 part बनाने पड़ेंगे.
Yeah.
Okay.
For sure. That girl made me. मेरा कैरेक्टर मतलब क्या कैरेक्टर क्या my confidence was like underwater.
Underwater.
Under the water. My confidence is
I am
just not
underwater.
confident
Please help.
anymore. Because I know that we are just yapping right now. मतलब हम कुछ भी बोले जा रहे हो. Please सुन लो यार हमारी. Okay, next question.
Have you lost your V card?
Happy.
मेरे पास डेबिट कार्ड भी नहीं है, मेरे पास क्रेडिट कार्ड भी नहीं है, बट मेरे पास वी कार्ड हमेशा रहने वाला है, मुझे लग रहा है.
हमारी अभी
मैं 17 साल की हूँ यार.
अभी की सिचुएशन देख के तो मुझे तो भाई
मैं 17 साल. I don't think I'll lose my V card before marriage.
I don't think I'll lose my V card in a long time.
I'm not gonna have.
Yeah.
Before
Would
marriage.
you consider before marriage?
Never.
Never.
भाई मेरे को छोड़ दिया तो क्या करूंगी फिर?
I don't want to say it in front of the camera. Are we dating someone or do we like someone currently?
No.
Oh my god, let me tell you
A
my
big
story,
no.
y'all. Let me tell you my
For
story.
me, a big no.
मैंने तो राबिया को बोला कि भाई अगर मैं कोई भी लड़के के बारे में बात करूँ एक चमाट दे दे मुझे बस.
But
एक
instead,
चाटन
I
दे.
think I use my words to slap the guy instead.
Okay, listen. Funniest moment. Okay, so basically, I was walking with a guy that I thought was like cute. Okay, I thought was like really cute and everything.
You know, she was like, oh my
And
God.
yeah, he's so cute. I was like, ooh la la over him. And basically, I video call. So basically, after I leave a place, I always like video call Rabia to make sure that someone is there to see if I'm safe or not. जब तक मैं ऑटो में बैठी and she always picks up because I am afraid of crossing roads. I cannot cross roads या कुछ भी तो I'm always with Rabia. So it
You
makes
have
me feel
zero
like ease
spatial
is-
awareness when she's walking on the road.
because it makes me feel safe. जब राबिया होती है मैं आँख बंद करके रोड क्रॉस कर सकती हूँ क्योंकि वो मेरा हाथ पकड़ लेती है तो मुझे ऐसा कुछ टेंशन नहीं होता. हाँ तो शी वॉज ऑन स्पीकर. यूजुअली वो मेरे एयरपॉड्स होते हैं तो उसका आवाज नहीं जाता बट शी वॉज ऑन स्पीकर सो आई वॉज विद अ
I
गाय.
didn't know I was a speaker,
Yeah.
by the way. I was not being rude to someone.
Yeah. So and Rabia is currently in her man hater phase, which is very valid because
नहीं, it's okay. आगे बढ़.
so I was walking with him and Rabia was on call and I just told him that you know with Rabia just say hi to Rabia and he literally ऐसा वो हाथ उठाता है बोलने and Rabia was like he's bad यार. मेरा I'm like what? Oh my god. And मेरा एक सेकंड में my answer was like yeah don't talk about your ex friends yeah don't talk about your ex friends जाने दे भाई राबिया let's not talk about all of that. And वो बंदे ने उसको वो हाय बोलने वाला था. Imagine a cute ass guy.
छिपकली जैसा दिखता है वो. एक तो क्यूट एस गाय मलिंगा है का.
गई मैं. And that guy didn't even say bye to me while going home.
But he talks really rudely to other girls, so I'm just
Yeah.
I don't think he's a very.
Yeah. I don't like him now either. I just thought he was like a good eye candy or some shit, bro. So I was like,
कैंडी ठीक है, मुंह में मत डाल.
not in that way. It's not. Why are you like this, yaar? Okay.
What's your
Oh, yeah.
How to stop feeling
Insecure.
insecure?
What are you insecure? Are you insecure about something? I think the one thing that Rabia has told me, which I remember till date, कि insecure होना is very normal. Number one, and number two, never show people
That
what
you're
you're
insecure.
insecure about because they will make
Attack
use
you
of
on
that,
that.
attack you on that. And that has happened with me. That has happened with her too.
Not really. I never show people I'm insecure about something.
Yeah. I think if you meet Rabia in real life, the one thing that people will love and hate about her, haters will hate, but one thing that people will love or hate about her is her confidence. Because her confidence is always on point. Even if she doesn't know what she's doing, she is confident enough that she'll learn that. And that is one quality that I absolutely adore.
I
about
feel
her.
like you all should not be scared about your insecurities because everyone is insecure about something.
Yeah.
You know, like even the prettiest person is insecure about something.
Yeah.
Have you seen Megan Thee Stallion? She's so pretty, right? And so there was this podcast where she says that people think that I have like the perfect life and everything, but I am deep down, I'm also very insecure on many days.
Yeah.
So I would advise you all to like, it's okay to feel insecure, but don't make it a big deal.
Yeah.
You know, just
especially in front of people.
just उस thought को निकाल के फेंक दो अपने
Because
दिमाग से.
तुम्हें पता है guys, self hate करके ना कुछ नहीं होने वाला. You
Yeah.
are not going
You
to
have to
get
accept
anything.
the way you are. You can't change anything about it.
And you shouldn't either.
Yeah,
because
like
God
it's
has
just-
made you with like a purpose.
it's not even about God. Like, if सब सुंदर दिखने लग जाएंगे या सब बुरे दिखने लग जाएंगे या no one's actually ugly, but like if everyone starts looking the same, then there's no difference between me and
Every
you and
person is beautiful in their own way, and we are not saying this to like butter लगाने को
Butter,
या
हाँ.
YouTube video बना रहे इसीलिए ज्यादा नहीं बोल सकते, but
And
it is so
I
freaking
think
true.
outer beauty is like ठीक है, it's like a
You know,
secondary factor.
my dad always says कि whenever I'm wearing like an outfit and I boast about the fact कि भाई I look so pretty some days, very rare days, because very rare days, and my dad is like always remember that तू बाहर से कितनी भी pretty लगे, if you're not pretty from the inside or if your heart is not pure, no one will see the glow on your outside, no one will see that you're pretty from outside, because कुछ तो है ना कोट की appearance lasts only for a particular type of time, but your heart is the one that always
I feel like you should always तुम्हारी खूबसूरती तुम्हारा quality नहीं है. You have much more to do. Like some people are good at skating, some people are good at drawing, some are good
Basketball.
at singing, some are good at sports, some are good at studying. So embrace your quality. Don't look at your outer beauty or whatever you're insecure about. Embrace
For
what
sure.
you are good at.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching this video.
The rest
You
of the
guys-
questions will be
yeah.
answered in the next video. So please go and
You
watch.
guys have commented so much. We're so grateful that you actually like.
They're like 20, 30 questions.
We're actually like, you actually think of us as good people to give you advice, and we're like so grateful for that. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you've come up until here, like ये video तक के end तक तुम आए, thank you so much. And please give us more ideas on what to film, because we
are
have
out
no
of
ideas.
things.
We
इतने कांड नहीं किए यार मैंने.
हाँ ना कि
story
इतने
time.
स्टोरी टाइम्स बनाए हम. एक्चुअली लाइक हमारा लाइफ अभी चलता रहेगा, एंड जो भी होगा ऑफ कोर्स
We'll
you
come and
guys
tell
will
you.
be the first one that we update, but please give us more video ideas, because me and Rama were actually thinking about it और हमें कुछ समझ ही नहीं आया था कि हम क्या बनाए.
हाँ यार.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.